Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our brand new location, 1150 Concord Ave, Concord, California. And today we have our 2008 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. This is the Superbike. Super clean, super low mileage, only 4,857 miles on this bike. It's got a lot of really nice subtle upgrades. First thing you might notice is steel braided brake lines for excellent brake feel. All the racers do that. It also has the adjustable levers for the clutch and the brake, and it has Trackstar handlebars, so it's more comfortable riding position. They're raised up and wider than the stock bars. Super clean bike. It's got a fender eliminator kit, dealer installed, so it's very clean. This bike here is only $84.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contract, insurance. Come by, check it out, and get your ride for the summertime. Thank you for checking it out at Contra Costa Powersports. Oh, it also has the Puig ZX-10R double bubble windscreen. Thank you.